Your mind isn't tired, it's overloaded. We live in a world where your brain is constantly being pulled in 100 different directions. Notifications, reels, messages, noise, pressure. And over time, this creates something called mental overstimulation. The problem? Most people don't even realize it's happening. So, here are 7 signs your mind is overstimulated, and how to fix it. Sign number 1. You can't focus on one thing for long. You start a task, then suddenly you're checking your phone, opening another tab, or just zoning out. Your attention span feels broken. Try the single task rule. Do one thing for 20 minutes without switching. No multitasking. Sign number 2. You feel restless, even when you're resting. You sit down to relax, but your brain keeps racing. You feel like you should be doing something. Practice intentional stillness. Even 5 minutes of doing nothing, no phone, no music, helps reset your brain. Sign number 3. You get irritated easily. Small things start annoying you. Noise, people, delays. That's your brain saying, I've had too much. Reduce input, lower volume, step away from screens, and give your senses a break. Sign number 4. You constantly crave stimulation. You reach for your phone without thinking. Silence feels uncomfortable. Create no stimulation zones in your day, like during meals or right after waking up. Sign number 5. You struggle to sleep. Your body is tired, but your mind won't shut off. Thoughts keep looping. Avoid screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Let your brain slow down naturally. Sign number 6. You feel mentally exhausted but not productive. You're drained, but you didn't actually accomplish much. That's cognitive overload. Cut down unnecessary inputs. Fewer apps, fewer tabs, fewer distractions. Sign number 7. You feel disconnected or numb. Too much stimulation can actually make you feel less, like your brain is buffering. Go outside. Nature helps reset your nervous system faster than anything else. Here's the truth. Your brain was never designed for constant stimulation. It was designed for rhythm, focus, and rest, input and silence. If you don't give your mind space to breathe, it will force you to stop. So slow down, reduce the noise, protect your attention. Because a calm mind isn't just healthier, it's more powerful.